Yeah man, ready. Yeah me people. And the youth them there. You red man. No. And the youth them there. Rose, come look near the Rose.
I'm here man.
And the youth them there. Watch it this a come cross. Yeah youth, boy me I tell you say then go on like good things now go on in a Jamaica. But then go on. Like good things now go on in a Jamaica. We know the part on joking out here in a good life we say you know. Best life them yeah. This is our film it though. Give myself a little bit of gravy. Yeah.
Don't share out.
Yeah, me no cameraman. Alright, see they live now. You alright now?
Alright, man. No good man.
No, your gravy are going to hold you up for me now. No, give you a little bit, a touch more. Little touch more for everybody. The roast come close, make the people them see say, you know. You have the little spinach and salt thing here, you know. You understand? Jolly, you look like you get to so. At the same time, you share for left like a sitting in pot, though?
Yeah, man.
The man go here, they say, pass it, Rose, pass it. What are they going over here, so? Aberdeen High School. Yo, they take love not there again, you know, but they lie. And so we all live with the youths, them, man. And me, I teacher, one way have the agriculture teacher, one that is videoing, but look how we are dealing with it. When the youths them there upon a Friday, and the youths them say a lunch them have, you see me? So we have lunch right here. Yo, my people, don't take this one lightly, you know. Share it, man. The best life you can ever live are the one in peace and harmony, man. And what they call it, fellowship, man. Eating food and what? Talking to friends. You want to say something, Red Man?
Yes, sir. You see them food, man? Better than you look for them on a run go to go by right now want some more. So I run more food.
Alright, me I come, me I forward. See pat down the center, Red Man say you want more. Oh, that go again?
Sharing is caring.
Alright, for real. Yo,
man, let me say something now, man. Unity, remember, unity is great. Great, a unite, we are unite.
Alright, see you there. Me no chatting no. Hold on, no. Oh God. He say no one feel me, no take on time. See mine here, you know. No feel no way, come in. Yo, she's a dear, yeah.
The stone that the builder refused from both, you know what I mean? Master God.
So now let me get it.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna get a little bit more. Red Man,
One family, man, one family.
Yeah, man, I eat, man. Peace, man, peace. Yo, result. Yo, how you go? Plate empty. Hold on, the Red Man, I feel me food that you just going in the youth. Vibe Cartel won't be eating any bite dumpling. Yo, God knows that. Hey, watch out, look on the plate them. You think them a man they left nothing? You understand? Yeah, man. I eat, man. Give thanks. Part two. Don't make it that way, no. Part two. Part two.
Yo, no man.
No, sir.
Today what? Not there.
What a collapse. Yo,
No man, no kid.
Yo, I will I'm on and Mr. Go for home. Banana leave the Alright. You just eat off of a plate, because this a plate are easy for dispose, you know. Not true, Red Man. See the film plate all it here.
That's it, man.
Wait, that's why you're not done.
No, on left on the table.
Alright. Yeah, man, see there we have finger with food here now. Don't strain up on the mind, brother. Strain up on the mind. Alright, Jolly, that's it, Jolly. Hold on, but Red Man. Let me see now this apatia. But this apatia nobody want wash, man. This apatia, yo, we no wash without the apatia. The man them a wash the pot them, yeah. The man them a wash the pot them, but we a Red Man deal with the youth. God no, this apatia, people, look if this apatia want wash, really. Hold on, this apatia nobody want wash. Look more y'all people.